lights, I'm looking for some kind of trace to lead me out of darkness. Give me a little faith, something to make me stronger, someone who could light the way. Then you came to me and you gave me reason. I almost can't believe it. Every time we touch, I feel at home. There's no way I'd ever let you go. Will you put your hands in mine? I know we're gonna be alright. I don't know what you do to me, but I feel like I am way up in the sky. Will you put your hands in mine? I know we're gonna be alright. 'Cause when we touch is when I really come alive. When I really come alive. I don't know anybody that could compare to you. The way you're always smiling, the way you light up a room. I couldn't live without you, not even if I tried. 'Cause every day I'm with you, I'm flying over the clouds. Oh yeah.
Sa liwanag ng araw, sa bawat hakbang, ligaya ang tanaw. Isang daang puno ng kwento't saya. Tayo'y magsaya, halina't sumama sa biyahe ng
Late nights, eyes wide, I've been talking to the ceiling. Trying to map my life out, every setback, every feeling. Packed bag by the door, heart ready for the change. If it hits me from the left, I'll still step into the flame. Every scar, every stumble made me. Every you can only kinda raise me. I keep notes of every little win. Read them back when the doubt creeps in. Never give up on dreaming. Keep that fire burning. Keep that fire burning. Be prepared for everything. Turn that pressure into purpose. Yeah, it's working. Keep on grinding, don't you stop. Even when the road feels tough. Forever young in my heart, I'm singing Govins, Govins. Keep on living. Old pics in my phone, all the laughs on the staircase. Birthday candles, melted wax on a cheap cake. Those good days living me like a bright frame. When the world feels cold, I just press play. I remember who I was as a kid. All the wild little plans that I hid. Now I'm standing where you wish he'd stand. Same soul, bigger dreams, same hands. Never give up on dreaming. Keep that fire burning. Keep that fire burning. Be prepared for everything. Turn that pressure into purpose. Yeah, it's working. Keep on grinding, don't you stop. Even when the road feels tough. Forever young in my heart, I'm singing Govins, Govins. Keep on living. When it's hard to move, breathe in one step, say your name out loud. Promise you're not done yet. Every happy memory's fuel, not a chain. You can carry them forward, not stay in the same lane. Never give up on dreaming. Keep that fire burning. Keep that fire wet. Be prepared for everything. Turn that pressure into purpose. Yeah, it's working. Keep on grinding, don't you stop. Even when the road feels tough. Forever young in my heart, I'm singing Govins, Govins. Keep on living. I'm singing Govins, Govins. Keep on living. I'm singing Govins, Govins. Keep on living.
Sino?
Sabi ko kay Papa, pag matulog at pagbukas ng pinto, matutumba yun.
Oh, anong ginawa ng papa mo? Ano ginawa ng papa mo? Natulog.
Init. Saan tayo doon?
Dito, dito. Nini. Mag-vlog ka na.
Ako magkawak na. Hi vlog!
Hala siya naman.
Guys, welcome to my vlog. Hi vlog.
Hi vlog, welcome to my vlog.
Aray ko.
Hi vlog, welcome to my vlog.
Sabihin mo, hi vlog, welcome to beach. Sabihin mo.
May panligo ka, Lea? Ayan na.
Suot-suot niya na.
Suot niya na.
Mabutit nandito tayo sa Boracay. Naka-Boracay din siya.
Wow,
Ate, paano tayo magpipicture mamaya?
doon.
Doon sa dagat?
Oo. Ganda kaya, Nini.
Dito maganda rin ah.
Hindi pa ako nakakapag-swimming sa Perez eh. Nakakapag-swimming na ako sa Katok.
Ito na. Peres to, di ba?
Oo. Doon yung Quezon sa kabila.
Eh, ano pala to? Quezon din to.
Perez to.
Wow. Dito maas. B.
Walang bisa na dito.
Uuwi ng basa. Tumaas, no? Kahapon nasa ano lang yan. Ha?
Galing kayo dito kapon?
Opo. Aray ko.
Ganda.
Ah!
Ito yung mga gamit nyo.
Ano kuya? Ang lakas mo.
Doon, no, doon, no. Nini, doon. Tapat ni Kuya Kevin. Ganda, no? Nini, ganda. Asa pansligo mo?
Ito, so
Wala nang
Ayan na, naka-jogging pa, ayan no? Jogging pants?
kung ano eh.
Okay na yan. Ligo na.
ano man, pampanggal awas man.
I wanna run where the sun stays high, chasing dreams that kiss the sky. No maps, no plans, just a wild goodbye.
Panood.
I'm building castles out of air. Watch me float on there. Forever young, I wanna be doing things that set me free,
Sige, dali.
making things that should
Huwag ka galay, dali. Punta dito.
forever young.
Sige.
Just watch and see.
Dali, dalawa kayo. Dali. Dito. O, dali. Papunta
Just
dito.
watch and see.
Okay. 1, 2, 3, game.
I'll paint the stars with a reckless brush, catch the wind in a paper crush. No slowing down, no need to rush.
Video.
Impossible's a word I've banned. I hold the world
Ano masasabi mo sa Alabat? Ang Alabat ay pinakamagandang lugar para sa mga turista. Bakit? Maraming alak. Maraming alak, maraming kainuman. Malinis na lugar. Pinindayoy ng mga turista, mga lasingkero. Maraming alak dito. Lambanog, 20 lang. Magandang tanawin. Magandang mga kababaihan. Uy. Lea, huwag ka sa malalim.
Ha? Punta ka dito. Aray ko, para ka daw isda. Ako naman, wala ka dyan sa buhay mo. Pabidyo ka dyan. Tita, may isda!
John mo. Lubog mo yan. Pwede.
Ito isda oh. Kunwari isda oh.
Isda daw si Kuya. Hindi ka isda, oy. Coral yarn.
Saan mo ba ako?
Hmm? Ay. Dito tayo. Tita! May isda akong nakita! May isda akong nakita! Nalubog ko na!
Nalubog mo?
Aray ko. Ayun! Ang dami! Tita, ang dami! Tatlo yung nakita ko. Ang dami naman dito.
Hi guys! So, andito kami sa Perez.
Sa ilalim ng araw,
Hello guys!
ganda ang hangin, may awit ng ligaya. Lupa't langit, sumasayaw sa mata. Oh, makita ang ganda ng paligid, mga ulap parang nag-iibigan. Magagandang tanawin, walang kapantay sa araw na ito. Lahat ay buhay, lakad sa damuhan, paakyat sa bundok. Mga bulaklak, kulay ng asul. Kamay, walang iniisip, tawa lang ng tawa. Lahat ay sulit.
Island shopping tayo.
Ang ganda ng paligid, mga ulap parang nag-iibigan. Magagandang tanawin, walang kapantay sa araw na ito.
Hindi. Lumalayot ako sila. Baka kainin sila, hulihin sila ng tao.
Walang dulo, bawat kwentong noon ang sigla, tila mundo
Ha, hala.
ulong sa tuwa. Sa araw na ito,
Tayo, sige tayo. Kung hanggang saan.
tayo'y malaya. Kita ang ganda ng paligid, mga ulap
Sabi na natin, maglangoy-langoy muna tayo. Wah,
Pagkatapos kumain, dala ang basura. Paalam, dagat.
salamat dagat.
Ganda dito, mapuno. Nag-enjoy ka, Bi?
Yes. Laki-laki.
making a lovely memory with you. Each moment feels like something new. The world fades out, it's just us two. Making a lovely memory with you. Their footsteps on gold,